Okay, dear learners, let me brief about how this course is arranged. If you see, this course is arranged in total 5 units. So total 5 units are there, and the first unit describes what is the current situation of self-reliance, or what is the meaning of self-reliance in current world. In the second unit, we are going to discuss about how to develop mindset for self-reliance through education. यानी कि एजुकेशन का रोल है वो सेल्फ रिलायंस और एंटरप्रीनरिंग माइंड डेवलप करने के लिए क्या है वो हम सेकेंड यूनिट में डिस्कस करेंगे. एंड इन थर्ड यूनिट वी आर गोइंग टू लिंक second unit and third unit with the help of what are the implications of health and temperance यानी कि संयम on developing the product. यानी कि हम जब भी कोई प्रोडक्ट डेवलप करने जाते हैं तो हमारा जो हेल्थ एंड टेम्परेंस यानी कि संयम है उसका इसमें क्या रोल है. व्हाट आर द रोल्स ऑफ हेल्थ एंड टेम्परेंस वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस इन यूनिट 3. वी आर ऑल्सो start making actual product like herbal soap in unit number 3. So you are going to given enough guidance or hands-on experience of how to make herbal soaps in this unit. In the fourth unit, we are going to discuss the production which is relation centric. Rather than consumerism, we are going to discuss the completely an innovative idea of production which is relation centric, and we are also going to discuss a very good case study of Manav Chetna Vikas Kendra Indore, which is implementing this kind of production which is relation centric rather than consumerism centric. And we are also going to learn some new products like healthy biscuits, etc. And in the last unit we are also learning what are the marketing relation for this kind of entrepreneurship. So in the last unit we are also going to deal with marketing strategies which is relation centric rather than consumerism centric, and we are also going to have some more product development in unit number 5 and have some case study also. So this is how this whole course is going to be designed and delivered to you in this VAC course.